Hey, we're just gonna take a look at this nicely built bird's nest. Here's the front lawn. Not bad for a concrete jungle. Anyways. Oh, there's the monster. Oh my god. I just got a new exhaust on. Sounds like a beast. There's a big green camper van. It's for sale. And so this is the front gate. And they're just right over here. So you could nice ass shot. Hey. Oh, she's watching me. Oh yeah. They got about 3 little ones in there. It's actually amazing how they constructed this. Like, I can't believe it. Very nice. Don't worry. I'm not gonna hurt you. But I'm just wondering, why so close to the ground? Why couldn't they go like up there? Anyways, it's a beauty of a nature in a concrete jungle.